Today you're gonna watch me wash my hair. So I normally let my hairstylist wash my hair and do it, right? But today I'm going to do it myself. I honestly don't think that the shower head in the salon is a filtered shower head. So I'm going to wash my hair with you guys here because my shower head is a filtered shower head. So I honestly think I'm going to start doing that. Like, even when I go to the salon, I'm gonna wash my hair at home and then go to the salon and let her do my hair. Yeah. Because to me, it doesn't make sense to do all of these treatments and I'm still damaging my hair with water from the faucet that is not filtered. You understand? If you know, you know now, okay? My hair has been like this for 2 weeks, okay? Of course, I'm going to use my shampoo. Now, my conditioner, the other day you just didn't see me do this, but I put cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf, and garlic in my conditioner, okay? So, I'm so excited for these. For my first wash, I normally use my fingers because I have really long nails. After every wash, I rinse my hair, okay? So shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, conditioner. I wash my hair with shampoo twice and conditioner twice. A lot of people don't do it like that, but let me tell you something. It worked wonders for me. Oh, I also added honey to my conditioner. Super excited. I like to use this when I'm conditioning my hair, so I can get it all on my scalp. This is my favorite detangler brush, okay? I'm gonna detangle my hair. Hey, look how easy it is to detangle. Super convenient. Look at all that hair I shed. I'm gonna leave it right there for you so you can see it. this time I'm going to use the massager. Conditioner. It's stuck because of all the products I put in it. Okay, now I'm going to shower. But I'm going to leave this conditioner in for 5 minutes. Now, after I wash myself, I'm going to take it out, okay? Certain things you cannot see. I'll be back. We're back. This is all the hair. This is my cat ball. And so when your hair falls out, do not be discouraged. Don't be scared like, oh my god, I'm gonna be bald. No. Just remember, these are damaged hairs that needed to come out. So now you're making room for new hair follicles, new beauty. Yeah, just think about it like that, right? So you won't stress yourself out. Because I can't control your stress. I'm here to help, but like you have to control your stress levels, okay? Just don't panic, okay? Don't panic. I'm gonna dry my hair a little bit. This is my go-to. Okay, Redken acidic bonding concentrate. it's a leave-in treatment, okay? It's basically a leave-in treatment. You could put it on curly hair, straight hair. You could put it on your hair before you blow dry it. I recommend you put it on your hair before you blow dry it because, girl, the sleek and shine with this product, it's amazing. Now, you don't need too much, okay? Brush it. Put the leave-in conditioner everywhere. Make sure it's everywhere when you brush it. Listen, last year around this time, my hair was on my ear. My hair was on my ear, guys, okay? So I came a long way. And you could tell with the growth. This is virgin hair. The blonde is dyed, damaged hair. Look, I'm still shedding. I'm still shedding. Put it into a high bun. And that's it. It's very simple. Okay, just make sure you do the work for yourself, okay? Especially if you're the one who damaged your hair, okay? Do the work to fix it. Alright? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And make sure you share this with somebody that you know is struggling with hair growth and needs help, needs some treatment, needs some motivation, okay? I love you guys. I'll be back soon. Bye!